I hate opening boxes. Alright, so let's start with this box, right? Hello Munchkins, what is up? I hope you guys are doing awesome. Welcome back to my channel. It is Prime Sale, baby, and I am so excited. You guys know how much I love Amazon. I buy literally every single thing of Amazon, and when I mean everything, I mean that even my toothpaste is from Amazon. I'm not even kidding. Yes. In short, I love Amazon because the products are authentic, they're original, the delivery is super fast. I ordered these products yesterday and it got delivered within 24 hours. How crazy is that? You get so many good offers and so many different brands and products to choose from. Now, because I love makeup and skincare and it is Amazon Prime Day sale, so many good offers that I couldn't resist myself. I went all out and bought products worth 5,000 rupees. Now, few of them are products that I've already tried in the past and I really loved using them. So these are like restock products, and few of them are products that I always wanted to try and I got them on some really good offers, which I'll tell you guys very shortly. So I had to buy those, and without any further ado, let's begin because I just cannot wait to share everything that I bought. Alright, so let's start with this box, right? I haven't even opened these boxes because I wanted to open it in front of you all. Alright, so the first product that I have here is this Cheryl's Oxy Blast Facial Kit. Now listen, this product is beautiful. This at-home facial kit is a bomb. I was actually looking for this, but then I came across this combo right here, which contained this facial kit and the long-lasting Hydra Moist moisturizer. You guys know how much I love hydrating moisturizers. I have only tried this facial kit from this particular brand and I wanted to explore a little more, see what the brand has more to offer, and this combination was perfect. Let's quickly talk about this facial kit. So inside you get these sachets, which makes it perfect for traveling, and there are 7 different steps that you need to follow. Of course, the first step is a cleansing gel. You want to make sure that you don't have any dirt or dust on your skin. The next one is a deep peel. The third step is skin oxygenator, which revives skin. Fourth is rejuvenating serum. Fifth is deep penetrating mask. Sixth step is energizing cream, which nourishes the skin. And lastly, you get the radiance mask, which tightens and brightens the skin. So these are the 7 steps that you need to follow. Now I quickly want to check the consistency of this moisturizer. It says that it is great for normal to dry skin. It doesn't have an overpowering fragrance. The consistency and the texture is quite thick and very smooth, I must say, and it feels really good on the skin. I think because the texture is so thick and it moisturizes the skin so well, it can be a great product to apply underneath makeup, and I'm sure my makeup will look really nice if I apply this particular moisturizer underneath, and I cannot wait to use this. This combo originally retailed for 755 rupees, but you can get up to 50% off on Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals products. Let's open the next box. This one is the bigger one. Fun fact you didn't know about me, I hate opening boxes. Next, I have these Innisfree products. If you don't know already, I really enjoy using Innisfree products. Korean skincare hits different. So this one right here is their green tea balancing skin toner. I have already tried out their green tea serum and their face wash, and it is super gentle on the skin. The entire Innisfree green tea range is really nice. I have heard a lot of great things about this particular toner, so I wanted to give it a try myself. And first of all, let's talk about how beautiful is this bottle. The entire range is green in color and it looks very aesthetically pleasing. If I would have had the entire range with me right now, I would have definitely kept it on my vanity. I'll test this out very quickly, see how it feels on the skin. And first impressions, it smells beautiful. The consistency is not very liquidy. It's not coming out like water. Instantly got absorbed into my skin. My skin looks glowy and hydrated. I cannot wait to start incorporating this into my skincare. Now there's an offer on Innisfree, buy 2 and get 10% off via buy more save more offer. Now because I was buying this green tea toner, I thought why not I should save up some money and try out another range from Innisfree, and this one is their Jeju Lava Sea Water Mist. Again, love the packaging. I haven't tried anything from this particular range. This is the first product from the seawater range that I will be trying, and this particular product claims that it has anti-aging properties. It has mineral rich Jeju Lava seawater which provides moisture and will give my skin a firmer and smoother looking skin. Of course, I will give this a try and share my first impressions. Ooh, the mist is so fine. I love it. And the fragrance is very mild. It feels like I'm at the beach. Like literally, I'm not even kidding. It literally feels that I am on vacation. I'm looking forward to see what this particular mist does to my skin. Now there's an offer on Innisfree. If you buy 2, get 10% off via buy more and save more on selected products and up to 50% off on the entire collection. Next, I got the Kama Ayurveda Iladi Hydrating Ayurvedic Face Cream. Now, I got this particular face cream for Mama. Mama loves Kama Ayurveda product. She literally uses their rose water face pack, their day and night cream. And her day cream is about to get over. So, I thought why not I should get this one for her. I don't want to touch the moisturizer because it's hers and I don't want to spoil it. But I'll quickly give this a sniff. Smells amazing. It smells like roses and jasmine, and I'm sure Mama will love this one. Now, I quickly wanted to talk about this new feature on Amazon where you can add widgets to your order, get free gifts or sample size products to try, which I think is really cool. And this is available on Kama Ayurveda and Forest Essential products. If you love using Kama Ayurveda products, I think this is the perfect time to shop your favorites. For Kama Ayurveda, you can get free gifts on order above rupees 700. Lastly, I got the Forest Essential Delicate Facial Cleanser in Kashmiri Saffron and Neem. Now, I had a travel size of this particular product, which I recently finished. So, I wanted to upgrade and get the bigger version, and I got the 200 ml bottle. It is insanely good and it smells heavenly. Because I have sensitive skin, I am very particular about cleansers and I like my cleansers to be very gentle on the skin, and this one does the job. It's perfect for my skin type. The bottle looks so luxury and beautiful. Now on the purchase of this facial cleanser, I got this sample size moisturizer absolutely free, which is the Advanced Eternal Youth formula. I haven't tried this, so I'm really looking forward to try this out. As I was mentioning, there's a new feature of attach widget where you can get free gifts, and I got this sample size product right here with the purchase of this facial cleanser. So this was everything that I got during the sale. I am so excited to use these products. I would highly recommend you guys checking out the offers because they are just so good. Sure, you'll find some great offers on your favorite products. Just remember, the sale is from 26 to 27 July. So hurry up, shop your favorite products now. I will leave all the links of the products that I mentioned in today's video in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. Also, let me know in the comments down below what all products you are planning to buy during this amazing Prime Day sale. I would love to know that. And before you leave, you know exactly what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Mwah.